What's going on, you guys? That's right, it's time for another trip. It's been 6 months since I had a break, been hustling hard, and we are at the airport and we are headed overseas. We get to see that new house. If you guys want to see that new house, stay tuned, it's coming. If you want to see reptiles, an expo, the farm, who knows what we're gonna get into. It's gonna be pretty good. All right, Apple, we made it. Give me a high five. So we have arrived, Sakonakon. We're gonna go see our house, spend some time with the family, but as tradition would have it, always Guy Han have some roasted chicken.
Hello, where you come from?
So they know that I'm always hungry and I love this food. It's barbecue chicken. We'll have some sticky rice. Get the day started. It is only 8 o'clock in the morning. We had an early flight and looking forward to seeing what this house looks like. So anyway, should be a very interesting next couple of hours. Okay, here it goes again, you guys. 6 months later. All right, you guys, so the deal is the house is not completely done yet, but the builder, he says it's a really big house and it takes a lot of detail. I totally agree in walking through this house. It's beautiful. It's come a long way. We're going to call this update number 2. So I'm going to give you guys a look at it. This is our pedestrian entrance. And if you guys watched the previous video, you know, it was very raw last time when you guys saw it. A lot of detail, a lot of woodwork. I'm really impressed. I really like what I see. I don't know why, but the pond looks bigger to me. It looks deeper. We've been looking at fish and stuff along the way, and we got some pretty interesting ideas. They did all the tile work. Our cascading waterfall is put in place and it does work. We saw it work already. And as I said before, the gym, the room that is going to be our future gym, has a really good vibe to it. It still has that vibe. It is really nice. So lots of windows, the mirrors are in, the woodwork is in, really, really big room, very nice. You can see all the big wall mirrors, just like a proper gym should have. It's quite large. I don't know if these lights work or not. Oh, they do. So there's all this woodwork, real nice, big, beautiful closets in here, lots of storage. These are actually, I need a step stool, but these are also cabinets up here. It's on both sides. So this will probably be a big area where we'll be storing a lot of our clothes and whatnot. And actually, the contractor brought up a good point that I'd probably be spending a lot of time actually getting ready down here. So, you know, after the gym, we come back in here, full shower, his and hers sinks, a urinal. I think that's kind of interesting to have a urinal in your house. And then over here is a huge walk-in shower, but all the tile work is done. It's really nice. Really like the way that this all turned out. It's pretty fancy. It's huge. It's just so big. I'm not used to this. All right, now walking out of the gym. Now this is the big open like utility area. It now has tile, woodwork and stuff. It's really nice. I really like it. I have some different ideas for this back wall right here. Might be a little bit out of control what my ideas are, but I'm not going to share that right now at this time. And then this is another small bathroom. And this is our Thai style kitchen. So we have granite countertop where we'll be able to serve food through here, or Apple will, since Apple is the cook. So still has some work to do left, but it's coming along. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. This is our living quarters. This is gonna be our outdoor dining patio upstairs here. They got all the rails in, all the woodwork, recessed lights, really nice. Quite an experience I think it's gonna be sitting up here and being able to eat dinner or whatever and look out across into the forest. It's pretty cool. So this is the same concept. This is another kitchen, the Western style kitchen. Be able to serve food, pass food through here. Another granite countertop. And then this is our front door essentially. There's a lot of woodwork going down in here. The flooring is in place, but they have it all covered up because they don't want to damage it. And just a really monstrous place. This will be our Western style kitchen. They're still doing all the woodwork. It's another bathroom. This is one of our guest bedrooms. Pretty good size. They're doing some of the built-in woodwork and cabinetry. Bed was handmade by a woodworker for us, so he's made us 3 beds. This is actually going to eventually be against the wall there. More big closets. All right, let's move on. Now this is going to be our dining room table. This is actually a special wood that Thai people's very revered type of wood, but it'll be stained and all that, but this will basically be our dining room table. This is going to be really interesting. This is the future spot of my main fish tank, big fish tank. So they made the stand. The tank's already been made. It just needs to be delivered. I don't know how high it's going to be. I'm thinking it's probably not going to be super tall. And I'm not really sure exactly what's going on up here, but I believe it's going to sort of be built down with wood, and it'll kind of be like a built-in kind of thing. But I'm really interested in watching this transformation right here. I think it's going to be really cool. This is just a common area, outdoor area in between the two guest bedrooms. Nice beautiful rail, nice view there. Lots of windows. This is the house of windows. And this is basically our living rooms where we're going to have our TV. They did a really nice rail right here, which is really neat. And this is our second guest bedroom. It's a more simple bed without a headboard, but there's a whole built-in decorative type deal there on the wall, which is cool. Another guest bathroom. All this woodwork will be stained. Those people are coming very soon. And this is our master bedroom. They've covered up the bed, but that's the third of the handmade beds. And it is just so big in here. This is just crazy to me that this huge space is our bedroom. And this is still our bedroom here. Apple has a vanity, there's a mirror there. More closet space. Drawers up there, drawers up here, giant closet. And I'm noticing that all this woodwork, it's really smooth. All the drawers, everything slides open and closed, and everything is done really well. And then in here, this is our master bathroom. And big walk-in shower. And his and her sinks. And then you can see the flooring is in this room. And then this is our balcony. They did these benches. These benches are very solid. We were already hanging out on them yesterday. It was a little freaky because we're way up there, but these are really solid pieces of furniture here. Floor is in, recessed lighting. It's just really nice. So you guys, that is essentially it. This is how far our house has come now, and really like what I'm seeing. Just a bit of headache, going through the whole construction process. It's not easy, especially when we're not here to supervise. I'm so thankful that Apple was here in the very beginning to supervise, because now essentially everything that's being done is for your eye to see. There's nothing hidden behind walls or hidden behind cement or concrete or anything. So Apple was here during that process, so she knows exactly pretty much what's going on inside the walls and foundation and stuff, because she was here to see all that and make sure that everything was going as planned. Now it's just all about visual inspection. Anything that's not up to snuff, it has to be corrected because we can see it. It can't be hidden. So that's about it. I'm really stoked, man. This place is huge. This is just, it's an amazing transformation. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy getting the preview of the house. We've been real tight-lipped about it. We just show you guys little bits and pieces. We don't want it to come off as bragging. All we're doing is just showing you guys what we're doing over here. And that's it. Probably the next time you see this house is going to be when it's done. And that's it. The future Malari household.